Hey guys, Robert here with Liberty Safe. One of the most common questions we hear from our customers is how much does a safe cost? Well, there's a lot of details, so let's break this down. How much you're going to spend on a safe is going to depend on how big of a safe you want and features like security levels and fire protection. That said, we can still help you understand the different price ranges and what to expect in those ranges. Today, we're going to break down your options into 5 categories: gun cabinets, entry-level safes, mid-range and high-end safes, and specialty safes. Quick disclaimer though, these are generalizations and there will always be exceptions and outliers depending on variances between manufacturers. Anywho, let's check it out. Though these aren't technically a safe, they're still an important option to discuss. Typically constructed of wood or thin steel, gun cabinets don't offer much in terms of theft protection or fire resistance, but coming in at a price less than $500, they're definitely the cheapest option. Basically, if you're looking for a general place to organize your personal belongings and keep them out of little hands, this is a fair choice. Ranging anywhere from $500 to $1,000, these safes are the least expensive category that may offer UL-listed certification. That means it's been certified by Underwriters Laboratories to provide basic levels of security and fire protection. Typically, you're going to be getting a 12 or 14 gauge steel body, between 30 and 40 minutes of fire protection, basic security, and some limited features. More or less, they won't hold up well under extreme circumstances, and there's not a lot of customizable options, but they will keep your items where you need them. Between $1,000 and $3,000, mid-range safes can be characterized with having a body made of up to 11 gauge steel, between 40 and 75 minutes of fire protection, and more advanced security options such as additional locking bars or bolts, relockers, and hard plates. Also, these safes come with more organizational options like drawers, door panels, and flexible shelving. In the second highest price range, between $3,000 and $8,000, you're looking at premium quality. A steel body made with 10 to 7 gauge steel, between 75 and 150 minutes of fire protection, and interior features like deluxe door panels, lighting, and customizable shelving. These models will also come with some of the best security features, including locking bars and bolts on all sides of the safe door, dual relockers, premium fire and smoke seals, and slip clutch locking mechanisms. Last but not least, coming in between $10,000 and $20,000, specialty safes are designed for very specific uses. For example, for the most heavy-duty security and fire resistance, a specialty safe lined with high-strength concrete composite will do the job. These safes are usually very heavy, and when it comes to security and interior customization, they come with all the bells and whistles. So, if you can afford it, you're gonna get what you pay for. And there you have it, a better idea of what your new safe might cost. Oh, and as an added bonus, I've attached a link below containing an infographic explaining the different tiers of safe we discussed today. Take it with you on your next shopping trip, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and catch you later.